हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हो आप? वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल मैथ्स पीरियड। आई एम किरण मैम। नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ चैप्टर नंबर 7, क्यूब्स एंड क्यूब रूट्स, एनसीईआरटी स्टैंडर्ड 8. That is question number 3 of exercise 7.2. The question is, you are told that 1331 is a perfect cube. Can you guess without factorization what is its cube root? Similarly, guess the cube roots of 4913, 12167 and 32768. Here we are going to use a shortcut method. For that we need to by heart the cubes of numbers from 1 to 10, which we are going to use in this method. So let us start. Given number 1331, we will start making groups of threes from ones place. First group is complete. Now only this number is left. So we will underline this also. This is second group. Since we have two groups, so there are two digits in the cube root of this number. Now we'll take the first group and we will observe the ones digit in this group. We will see the same number in the cubes. It is here. Then we will check the corresponding number here. Therefore, the ones digit in the required cube root is 1. Now we'll take second group. And we will check where does it lie in the cube. It is lying here only, means it is equal to 1 only. So the corresponding number is 1 only. Therefore, the tens digit in the required cube root is 1. Therefore, cube root of 1331 is tens digit. This is ones digit. That is 11. Here, one thing very important to note down, that the number of digits in the cube root of a number is equal to the number of groups formed. For example, here two groups are formed, so number of digits in the cube root of this number is 2. Now the second number is 4913. We'll start making groups of threes from ones place. This is first group and the second group has only single digit. Now we'll take 913, that is first group. What is the ones digit? 3. We will see the same number in the ones place of the cubes. It is here and the corresponding number is 7. Therefore, ones place digit in the required cube root is 7. We'll take this one. Now we'll take second group, that is 4. Now we'll check where does 4 lies in the cube. This 4 lies between 1 and 8. Therefore, which implies cube of 1 is less than 4 and cube of 2 is greater than 4. So here we will take the smaller number. Therefore, tens digit in the required cube root is 1. We have to take smaller number. Therefore, cube root of 4913 is tens digit is 1 and ones digit is 7. Cube root of this number, that is 4913, is 17. Now the third number is 12,167. We will start making groups of threes from ones place. This is first group and this is second group. Second group has 2 digits. Now we'll take the first group and we will observe ones digit in the first group. It is 7. So we will check 7 in the ones place of the cubes. It is here. Now we will see the corresponding number. Therefore, the ones digit in the required cube root is 3. Now we'll take second group. Now we will check where this 12 lies in the cube. It lies somewhere here between 8 and 27. Therefore, it lies between the cube of 2 and cube of 3. We will take the smaller number. Therefore, the tens digit in the required cube root is this smaller digit, that is 2. Therefore, cube root of 12,167 is tens digit 2 and ones digit 3. Cube root has only 2 digits because we have only 2 groups. Now the last number is 32,768. We will start making groups of threes from ones place. This is first group and second group has only 2 digits. Now we will take 768. Since this number has 2 groups, so it has only 2 digits in its cube root. Now we will observe the number at ones place. It is 8. We will see the same number in the cubes. It is here. So the corresponding number is 2. Therefore, the ones digit in the required cube root is 2. Now we'll take second group. Now we will check where does this number 32 lies in the cubes. It lies between 27 and 64. Therefore, between the cube of 3 and cube of 4. Here we will take the smaller number. Therefore, the tens digit in the required cube root is 3. Therefore, cube root of 32,768 is tens digit 3, ones digit 2, that is 32.